Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your password on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Discord account's password, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, next, go to Settings. And here in Settings, you will now be able to see the account option, which is where you can change your account's password, so just go and tap it. So here in the account section is where you can manage your personal information such as your username and email, and this is also where you can change your account's password. So to do that, you just need to tap the password option right here. And then after that, you can now start changing your password. So right here, you just need to enter your current password to make Discord know that it is really you who's trying to make changes in your account. And once you're done entering your current password, you can now enter the new password that you want right here. And once you're done entering your new password, you can now tap the Change Password button to completely change your password. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your password will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.